You begin to read Adam Grant's "Does Trying to Be Happy Make Us Unhappy?" Remember to read the bio that's provided for you on the first page of the essay, and you'll see it in the italics along with his picture. And just skimming through, you'll see that he was born in 1981, that he grew up in the suburbs of Detroit, as it mentions right here. And also, too, you'll notice his educational background, that he currently, in fact, right now, he currently is a professor of management at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, and it mentions that he's the youngest faculty member to achieve tenure, and that he's the recipient of many accolades for his teaching. You'll skim through as well and see that he's received awards from the American Psychological Association, the Academy of Management, the Society for Industrial and Organizational Psychology. You'll see that he earned his degree, a BA at Harvard, as well as an MA and PhD at the University of Michigan. And so you'll see that he's quite the academic, and he's also published a book titled Give and Take, A Revolutionary Approach to Success. And you'll also see some context being given from the editors about what he is writing. Now, I should point out that first off, you'll see this right here where it says reflecting on what you know. Do know that you're welcome to take a look at it, but you are not required or expected to submit any kind of journal entry. And you're also not expected to go ahead and complete the questions that are at the end of the essay, unless you're directly or specifically told or instructed to do so. I would not worry about it whatsoever. But go ahead and, of course, read through the essay. And some things you'll want to keep in mind as well is to, of course, go ahead and look at any one of the rubrics for the essay assignments for our class, and you'll see and get familiar with the terminology, not simply because of what you will write, but also what to look for while reading. And I say any one of the essay rubrics because you'll see some terms being used or recurring among them from one to the other, because those features of essay writing recur and are important to learn on your own and to commit to memory. And then also as well, for the 12th edition of the Models for Writers, I would also encourage you to take a look at the glossary of useful terms. You'll find that that'll be in any edition of the Models for Writers, but again, that's on page 651 of the 12th edition. It starts on it, on 651, I should say. And you'll, again, kind of see some of the terms described and defined for you. And so, again, become familiar with some of those terms so that way you know not just simply what it is you need to apply to what you write, but also to what you read.